What is posture therapy and why should you care? Well, what if I told you that there is a simple solution that allows you to move better and reduce your pain in just a few minutes a day? Now, you might be thinking, hey, I've tried everything for my pain. Nothing works and I've got to learn to live with it. Well, I thought that too when I was only 30 years old and nothing fixed my pain. But I realised there was a fundamental reason why nothing fixed my pain. All the remedies I tried, and it was a lot, painkillers, chiropractic, osteopath, physio, spine injections, yoga, stretching, Pilates, all of that, they were focusing on fixing the wrong problem. They were focused on the part that hurts, the symptom. They didn't focus on asking why that part hurts in the first place. Why did my back hurt? Why did my left hip hurt, but the right one was fine? What was going on biomechanically in the whole body to cause that specific part to hurt? It's hard to fix a problem you don't understand, and you end up trying a bunch of things in a trial and error way in the hope that something will fix your pain, like I did. And it's frustrating and you feel stuck with no clear way forward. But when we take a different approach and understand why you have the symptom and why that came about in the first place, fixing it becomes really straightforward. Did you know that most chronic pain is caused by compromised posture and compromised movement? So your natural posture is the window into how your muscles and your joints are functioning. It's a vital component to understanding why you're in pain. And I want you to understand that our bodies are designed to be in a certain position, the postural blueprint, if you like. When we're in this position, or as close to this position as possible, our joints can move well and they work in the way that they're supposed to. They're in the position that they're supposed to be in. And when we move away from this functional postural design, when our joints are no longer in that position, say your feet or your knees, your hips, maybe your back, your shoulder move into a compromised position, that's going to cause problems in your body. The joints can't work in the way it was designed to, becomes less efficient, can't work biomechanically in the way it should. And moving that joint is going to take more effort. It's going to feel clunky. It's going to cause more wear and tear and stress and strain on that joint, and it may eventually cause pain. So a joint that's out of position will age faster than a joint that's in its correct alignment because of that extra wear, tear and stress going on. So that joint is going to tell you that it's got a problem and things aren't working correctly. And how's it going to do that? It's going to do that with pain. So here's the thing, pain is not the problem. It's a message about the problem, and it's your job to do something about the problem and interpret the message correctly. And it's very easy to focus just on the joint that hurts and focus all the treatments there, but the condition of the joint is not the problem. It's the faulty position of that joint that's the problem. It's no longer in the design position. It's now misaligned. And the great thing is that you have the power to change that by getting that joint back into its correct position, like in the blueprint. And you might wonder, how do you do that? You've done chiropractic and physio and massage and yoga, and that joint is still painful. It's still out of position. Well, the answer is with posture therapy. As I said, your natural posture is the window into how your muscles and joints are functioning. It's vital to understand how you're in pain. So I would assess your posture and how you move functionally and determine specifically which joints are out of position and in what way, and also what your body's not doing, how it's not moving in a way that it's designed to do. And this tells me which muscles are not doing the work they should be doing, and also which muscles are overworking and doing work they shouldn't be doing. And I'll then design a unique posture exercise routine for your specific posture and movement issues, giving your body the much needed motion that it needs to get back to this design blueprint. Basically motion it's been craving. And as you give your body that movement it needs, you'll feel less pain, you'll have more freedom of movement because you're moving back to this design blueprint. Now, if you've tried other therapies and other movements and you still have pain, then it's time for a different approach. It's time to stop treating your symptom and address the reason why you have the symptom. Posture therapy eliminates pain naturally at the root cause without painkillers or constant doctor's appointments, and you have the tools to stay pain-free for life. People following posture therapy experience 77% greater pain improvement over 1 year compared to traditional therapies. So if you'd like to learn more about posture therapy, click the link in the notes below to get your free masterclass and ebook called The Truth About Pain and How to Fix It Once and For All, where you can go deeper into the power of this method. And if you're ready to get rid of your pain, then I invite you to connect with me today and to apply to the Pain-Free Movement Programme. The link is in the box below too, and I'd love to help you to learn more about your situation and help you to get pain-free. It's time to stop suffering with pain. It's time to get your life back, and I can't wait to help you do that. If you like this video, subscribe for new videos every week.